Hi friends, welcome to Sita's Biology and Creativity. Today our topic is about the real organs of the human body. Actually, we all know that the different organs are going to be present in our body. They represent the different roles in our body, they perform the different functions in our body. But we didn't saw till now how it looks like. Just we saw the images outside, what are the structures, what are the parts are involved in it. We just studied with the graphical images, right? But we don't know how it looks like. And if the any organ is in the diseased condition, from the healthy organ to the diseased organ, how it converts, how it looks like, we don't know all of that, right? So now today I am going to show you and represent you that organs, what are the real organs are going to be present in our body. If the organ is affected with any disease or any infection, how it looks like, today I am going to show you in this video. I think you may like this video. Please just watch. First, I would like you to clear that what are the different organs are going to be present in our body. They are the brain, thyroid gland, and the lungs, and the heart, and the liver, and the stomach, and the intestines, and the kidneys, and the bladder. These are the different organs are going to be present in our body. So let's start with all these organs with the real images. First, start with the brain. So let's see how it looks like. This is a real organ of the brain, which is mainly composed of the three parts that are the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem. We can observe the three parts in this real organ of the brain. This is also the other image which is filled with the blood of the brain. And if the brain is affected with any Alzheimer's disease, then it converts its shape and its size also. We can observe in this image. What is Alzheimer's disease? We don't know, right? So now I am going to show you what is Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's is a disease which is mainly affected to the brain because our memory cells are going to be shed off. Our memory function is going to be shed off. Our cells which are going to be present in the brain are going to be shed off. This is the main problem behind the brain which is going to be affected with the Alzheimer's disease. Let's start with the second organ, that is the heart. How it looks like. This is the real organ of the heart which is going to be present in our body. The main function of the heart is to circulate or is to pump the blood to the different parts of our body. Throughout our body, the blood is circulating only because of the heart. So it is going to be present below the lungs. Later, the organ is the lungs. So how it looks like, these are the lungs. Below the lungs we can observe the heart is also present in this image. Above the lungs, the trachea is going to be present. We can observe here also the trachea and the lungs are present. If the many people tell that if the person smokes more, the lung diseases may appear. So here you can observe that how the healthy lungs will be appear, how the smoking lungs will be appear. So that's why the smoking causes lung cancer to us. So avoid smoking for healthy lungs. So later the organ is stomach. Let's see how the stomach is going to be present in our body. This is the stomach which is going to be present in our body for the storage what we are going to be eat daily, that is going to be stored, that is going to be entered into this stomach only. After entering the food into this stomach, the acid which is going to be present in this going to be digest our food. This is actually when we discard the stomach from our body, it looks like a carry bag like this. We can observe it. Means if the stomach is in the empty stage without storage or any food or any liquids in it, then it appears like a carry bag like this. Later the organs or the intestine. Actually we all know that the intestines are of two types, that is large and small intestine. We can observe here the upper part is known as the large intestine and the down part are known as the small intestine. Here we can observe the real images of the large and the small intestines here. These are also useful for the digestion of the food in our body. The other organ is the liver. Let's see how it looks like. This is the real liver of the human body which is going to be present in our body. It is mainly made up of the different lobes. Let's see, that is the left lobe, quadrate lobe, right lobe, and the quadrate lobe, which are the different lobes are going to be present in the liver. Actually, many people tell that when the person consumes more alcohol, then the liver diseases will appear. So when the more alcohol consumption is done, then the liver is going to be converted into like that. So avoid alcohol for the healthy liver. The next organ is a kidneys. Actually, the kidneys are the pair of kidneys. These are used for the filtration, right? The filtration is main purpose of the kidneys. These are the internal section of the kidney, which are composed of the main parts: renal cortex, uterus, renal pelvis, and the renal pyramid. These are the two of the kidneys. This is the uterine tube, which are going to be connected to the kidneys. Just if the many persons are going to be affected with the kidney stones, right? This is the image with the kidney or with stones. We all know the stones are going to be formed in the kidney, but we don't know how it appears. This is the image with the stones are going to be present in the kidney. The next organ is the urinary bladder, which is connected to the uterine tubes of the kidneys. The urinary bladder, the main function is to store the urine in the bladder. The next organ is the thyroid gland, which is mainly present in the trachea, which is mainly present in the neck part of our human body. This is the thyroid gland below the trachea. If the thyroid gland is affected with any infection, then it appears like this. The last organ is the uterus. How it looks like, let's see. This is the uterus of the female reproductive system, which is going to be present in our body. In this, only the embryo is formed in the females. So let's see, these are your female reproductive system part. This is the uterus, the side tubes or the fallopian tubes. Later the ovaries and the cervix is going to be present in the down part of the uterus. These are the different real organs of the human body which are going to be present in our bodies. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.